keeping safe. In this chapter, we will learn about some safety measures which we should and should not do to keep ourselves safe. So let's start. First, we will learn about some don'ts which we should not never do or must never do to keep ourselves safe. We should never play with fires because it might be dangerous and harmful for ourselves and others. You should never use a sharp knife or blade because you might cut your hand and hurt yourself. Do not play on the road or the roadside. If you want to play, use the playground. After coming from the bath or washing your hand, you should never touch the switchboard. We all love to fly kites, but you should never fly a kite on an open roof. And never touch an electric wire. While standing in front of a fan, you should never put anything inside the rotating fan. Always use the staircase and do not slide on the railing of the staircase. While playing, do not burn the plastic bag or cover anyone with the plastic bag. It might hurt them. While playing on the playground, do not stand in front of the swing. You will get hurt. And while doing the swimming, always do it under the supervision of an adult. While using the staircase, never push anyone. You will hurt them, and hurting someone is not good thing. Now we will learn about some do's which we should do to keep ourselves safe. Like while crossing the road, you should always use the zebra crossing, the white and black stripe, which is known as the zebra crossing. Always get down from the bus and train when it stops. Getting down from a moving bus or train might hurt you. For making some craft, you should use the scissor under the supervision of an adult. And for swimming, you should learn the swimming under a coach and wear a life jacket. Now let us learn about some safety measures that we should follow while on road. You must have seen the traffic signal on the road. With the changing light, the vehicle stops. Get ready and start moving. The red light indicates stop. Amber light indicates wait, and green light indicates go. Now let us learn about some safety rules. Go on a road or roadside always with an elder. Do not run on the road. Walk only on the footpath. Cross the road only when the light is green. Before crossing, you must check no vehicle is coming on the road. Thus, look right, then left, and then right again. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. While crossing or walking on the road, let an elder hold your hand. So, while using the road, you must follow all these rules. Now some safety measures for home. Arrange your scattered toy in a toy box after play. Do not scatter them on the floor. Anyone may topple on them. Do not touch open socket, electric wires and a hot iron with wet hand. Do not play with fire, matchsticks and crackers. Use objects like knife, scissor, blade under the supervision of an adult, never alone. Do not eat anything given by a stranger. Be obedient to your parents and adults of your family. Now let us learn about some safety rules for school. While you are at school, you should follow this rule. Do not fight with your friends. You should always be obedient to your teacher. Follow your class and class rules. Do not push anyone anywhere. Walk in a line inside the school building and wait for your turn everywhere. Coming on to the last part, that is safety at the playground. While playing, we should be careful, otherwise we might get hurt. Play in a park or ground where other adults are also present. Every game has its rules. Follow them. Do not stand close to a moving swing. You might get hurt. Follow the safety rules for all the places and keep yourself and others safe.